Pikachu is running past a tree at 10 meters per second and runs straight to another tree, accelerating at 13 meters per second squared. His speed running past the second tree is 50 meters per second. How far apart are the trees? Okay, so we begin by writing out the different letters for UVAS. U being initial velocity, V being final velocity, A being acceleration, S being distance, and T being time. We then plug in the numbers. For example, U is 10 meters per second, V is 50 meters per second, acceleration is 13 meters per second squared. We put a cross next to T due to the fact we do not need it, and we put a question mark next to S because that is what we're trying to work out. Then we choose the correct equation we're going to use to find out S. So we're going to use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. We can then arrange this to V squared minus U squared over 2A equals S. After this, we plug in our numbers. 50 squared minus 10 squared over 2 times 13. We can convert this into a more simpler form. 2,500 minus 100 over 26. And even further, 2,400 over 26. This gives an answer of 92.3 meters. Thus, distance equals 92.3. Following on from the previous question, calculate how tall the second tree is if Pikachu jumps at the previous final velocity. Then calculate the resultant distance. Okay, we begin by getting the writing down UVAST once again. U is now equal to 50, V is equal to 0, A is equal to minus 9.81 because it's going against gravity. S is what we're working out, and T we do not need. We then get the correct equation, V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Once again, we rearrange it into S equals V squared minus U squared over 2A. Then we plug in our numbers, 0 squared minus 50 squared over 2 times minus 9.81. This results in the distance being 127.4 meters. We then need to calculate the resultant displacement. By doing this, we use the Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared equals 92.3 squared, 127.4 squared, in order to get C, we need to root those two. Plug in our numbers, 92.3 squared plus 127.4 squared, square rooted, which equals 157.3 meters.